Okay. Now we are going to start cash flow statement. Before the going for the statement, first know about the what is the meaning of cash flow. Cash flow statement is statement by which we are knowing of the flow of cash, and it means inflow and outflow of cash. Okay, beta? Clear? Inflow and outflow. When you are going to start a business or going to opening your business, then you are going to invest some cash. That cash will utilize in your business, and then ending time, it means ending year or ending of the year, you have some cash. So for that we are going to make the cash flow statement by which we know about that what is the flow of our cash, inflow and outflow. How many inflow or different resource by which we are going to collect our fund, and what are the different resources on which we are going to expend our fund. That full definition or full explanation of the statement, that is called cash flow statement. Okay, beta? Now going to start with the cash flow statement. This cash flow statement is divided in the three parts. The cash flow investment just divide in the three part. First is the cash flow from operating activities, second cash flow from investing activities, and third cash flow from financing activities. Okay, beta? First is operating activities, means how much cash we are utilizing for operating work, and from where we are going to collect this fund from the operating work. That is utilizing in the cash flow from operating activities. Second, cash flow from investing activities. In this investing activities, we are going to know about that how much cash we are utilizing for the purchase and sale of fixed assets. Okay, beta? And last is the what? Investing activities. Third is what? Investing activities? No. Financing activities. And in the financing activities, we are going to know about that how much share or debenture we are using and arrange the cash, and for the paying of this share and debenture, it means redemption of for this share and debenture, how much amount we are going to expend. That full expression we are going to show in cash flow from financing activities. Three part is there. Okay. We are going to start with the first part, cash flow from operating activities. In this cash flow from operating activities, we are going to start with the profit, net profit, which is showing by the PL, profit and loss account. Okay, beta? And then we are going to think about the all non-operating expense and all non-operating income. First we are getting the profit, and then add the all non-operating expense. It means the expense which is not directly related with the business, and less all non-operating income, means the income which is not directly related with the business. Just see, profit, then all non-operating expense, depreciation, any type of loss from the sale of assets, any type of loss from fire, any type of loss from theft, these all depreciation, return of goodwill, these all we are going to show here. Just see, depreciation, goodwill return of, interest on long-term loan, discount of issue of shares, okay, and any type of loss by theft or by fire, or sale of any type of assets, old assets, that will showing, because these all are coming in non-operating expense. Okay, beta? It means we are going to add all non-operating expense. Then go for the less all non-operating income, means income from other source, income from deposit, income from sale of fixed assets, income from issuing of share or debenture. These are what? These all are the income, but they are directly not related with the business. So these all are the non-operating income. Same interest, any type of interest or dividend, any type of rent or profit of sale of any fixed assets. These all are coming here. Clear? Then check it. One amount, these all amount, this add, then next is less, and then the answer is coming that operating cash flow from before changing working capital. Before changing working capital. And what is the meaning of working capital? Working capital means current assets minus current liability. It means we are going to see the change between the current assets and current liability. Okay, beta? Of any type of change in current assets, they are giving the cash in and out. Okay? Or any type of cash in will add, any type of cash out will less. Okay, beta? Any type of cash in your business, just real account, what comes in is debit and goes out credit, less. Okay, beta? Same way, if the cash is coming, then add, cash is going on, then less. Now I'm going to check by the changing between the current assets and current liability. Only two things. One, maybe current assets increase and maybe current assets decrease. If the current assets increase means less. Why? Because your cash will less. Okay, beta? So increase in current assets in less side and decrease in current assets means your cash will improve. Then add. Okay. Next, increase in current liability means cash will in. So then add, and decrease in current liability means we are going to pay the current liabilities. So cash out, then less. After this all, you have got the answer cash flow from operating activities. Okay, beta? Cash flow from operating activities. These are the function of these all, beta. Profit, add non-operating expense, less non-operating income, then change in current assets and current liability, then after plus minus, anything will come. Maybe minus will come here, maybe minuses come here, maybe profit, on the place of profit we have the loss, then also the minus, and the minus amount we are going to present in the bracket, beta. Okay? I think we don't know what to say. All the minus amount we are presenting in bracket. Then we have got the one answer here. One amount or answer we say. Then we are going for the second term, second point. And second point is beta, cash flow from investing activity. It's 100% relate with the fixed assets. Okay, beta? It's fully relate with the fixed assets. If cash will in by the changing in fixed assets, add, out by the changing in fixed assets, less. Means if you are going to sell, your fixed assets, then what? Cash in or out? In. Then add. You are going to sell your fixed assets, to add. Going to purchase your fixed assets, then less. Okay? Sell, then add. Purchase, then less. That is totally repeat but only relate with the fixed asset. Okay? Two more head is there. Dividend and interest. If any type of interest you are going to receive, that will add, and any type of dividend you are received, that will less. Okay, beta? Add or less? Receive means cash is in or out. And only one logic will follow from the cash flow. If cash will in, then add. Out means interest or dividend. If you are receiving, then add. Clear? Go for the third. Third is financing activity. Cash flow from financing activities. Okay, beta? And for the knowing of cash flow from financing activities, just think about the share and debenture. How you are collecting the money? By the issuing of shares or debentures. So if you are going to issue a share or debenture, so your cash will what? Increase or decrease? Increase. Then will add. Issue of share or debenture will add, and redemption of share and debenture are what? Less. Redemption of share and debenture less. and then payment of interest and dividend will less or add? Less na beta, because payment. Clear? After that what else is coming? As like that, one amount is coming here. One amount is coming here, then after the changing of this, one amount is here and last. These all amount plus or minus is coming. After the checking of plus and minus, we will get one amount, our answer. And that is coming with the cash and cash equivalent. Okay? Equivalent. Means, what answer you got, na beta? When we are going to add or less, that is depend on your sign. Its amount is coming in plus, so then plus. Its amount is coming in minus, then minus. Okay, beta? Clear? Just opening cash you are going to add, then you have got the closing cash. If you got, then answer is not. If not, then some problem is there. Okay? That is called cash and cash equivalent. Clear? Clear? Add the opening cash on this answer, then you got what? Closing cash. Clear this performer or not?
Yes, sir.
Only this performer is not full. For the knowing of purchase of assets or selling for assets, we are going to make the machine account. It means assets account beta. Okay? For the knowing of profit, we are going to make the statement of profit. Okay? Means some supporting account also we are going to maintain. Profit statement, assets account, knowing for the depreciation, we are going to make the assets account. Cumulated depreciation account, we are going to make. So these all will included for the making for this cash flow statement. Okay?